your ego could be your best friend or your worst enemy. Do you think it was because you didn't understand your ego, or do you want to talk about ego? Because I think it'd be a really powerful thing for people to understand.
When I refer to the ego, I love Eckhart Tolle's version. Ego equals unconscious. So the unconscious aspect of myself, which is the unlovable, feel not good enough, I'll never be enough, I'll never be able to do enough. You're going to criticize me or jump on me or beat me up if I'm not good enough. You know, people will take advantage of me. I'll take advantage of you before you take advantage of me. I'll never feel like that again. They're the elements that made up my ego. So my ego doesn't equal arrogance. Ego equals anything that's unconscious inside of you. So ego could equal, I can't do it. That's our ego. Because, you know, so our front cover says, I'm awesome. I'm a legend. Look at me now. I'm really sexy. My back cover says, I'm the unsexiest person on the planet. I'm a friggin' loser. No one would want to know me, you know, and neither of those are the truth. One's a projection to not feel the other, and the other's not the truth anyway. So those days that we feel small and not good enough and not enough, we then project something to make ourselves feel better or never feel that again. So the ego, the outward aspect, is the projection away from it. So absolutely, my ego is the problem, because my need to go and be with the girl of the nightclub, so I was the guy of the nightclub. My need to have the guys know or see that was all about projecting this image, so I didn't have to feel the original loser that I felt, which is not real either. And so not only, there's an old saying, my great spiritual teacher, and he would hate being referred to as a spiritual teacher, he said to me, and that was, when you have a solution to a problem without a change of awareness, that solution will eventually become the problem. So my unconscious solution was, I'll become the guy, because the guy gets everything. He never has to feel what I just felt. So I'll become the guy. So my solution was to be the guy, and the guy became the problem.